Welcome back. Now we are going to do the fifth subsection of the first numerical in the third exercise of pair of linear equations in two variables. The question is solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. So we already did four. This is the fifth one. So substitution method is find one variable in terms of the other. Find x in terms of y or y in terms of x and substitute in the next equation. So we will write down our equations. Root 2x plus root 3y is 0. We'll call this equation 1. And our second equation is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is our second equation. So from the first equation, if I take root 3y on the other side, what will I get? Root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. Bring root 2 down, x is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. So I got x. X is root minus root 3y by root 2. Now I will substitute. Substitute in 2. So if I substitute now in 2, I'm going to substitute in 2. What will I get? Root 3 into minus root 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. So for x I substituted. Now open this. Root 3 into root 3 is minus root 9. So minus root 9y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 9 is 3. So minus 3y. Take root 2 on top, LCM. Take the LCM. If I take the LCM, I will get minus root 2 into root 8, root 16y divided by root 2 is equal to 0. I took the LCM. Now root 2 can go on the other side. Root 2 into 0 will become 0. So I'm left out with minus 3y minus 4y. Root of 16 is 4. So minus 4y is equal to 0, or minus 7y is equal to 0, or y is equal to 0. If you bring 7 down, 0 by 7 is 0. So y is equal to 0. Very important. Now put it in 1. Substitute in 1. I'm going to substitute in 1. If I substitute in 1, what will I get? Root 2x plus 0 is equal to 0, because y is 0. So root 3 into 0 is 0. So root 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. Or root 2x also is 0, which means x is 0. 0 by root 2 is 0, right? So x is 0. So both y and x are 0. So we took the first equation as root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3y, we took it on the other side. We got x minus root 3y by root 2. Substitute in second equation. In place of x, you put this value. So root 3 minus root 3y by root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. Open this bracket, you will get minus 3y. Take LCM minus root 16y. Minus root 16 is 4. And root 2, take it on the other side, it will become 0. So minus 7phi is 0, or y is 0. Substitute in 1, root 2x plus 0 is 0, or root 2x is equal to 0, or x will be equal to 0, because 0 by root 2 is 0. Anything divided, 0 divided by anything is 0. So anyway, it's going to be 0. So both y and x are 0.